welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the Apple iPhone SE 2022 third generation. It has an Apple 2595. And this one is the 256 gigabyte of storage. So my son has a 64 gigabyte of storage, and his phone, the storage is so full. So I got this out of eBay. It's supposed to be a grade A, which is almost like a mint condition. This one I got it for $432, free shipping, and then plus tax. So total damage is $469.80, and this is the black colorway. And I also tried to look on the Apple website. For the 256 gigabyte, they wanted $579 plus tax. So anyway, this one come with the generic charger instead of original one. So anyway, I just need the phone for my son. That's all I need. So he has his own charger anyway. So let's go ahead and open this up. The only thing that I'm worried about is the battery health. So there you go, Apple iPhone SE 2022 third edition. And then fully unlocked it, A grade. I see like a couple line of scratches over there, so I'm not sure if I can see it. Some right here. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see on the camera. Some right here too. Let's go and then power this on real quick. Well, I need to set it up for him, so well, let's go ahead and set it up. I'm gonna put his phone side by side. Let's go and get his phone first. Alright, so I put it right next to the new phone. It says set up new iPhone. So we're just gonna go through the step and come back with it. So now we set up the fingerprint scanner. Earlier, you gotta use the old iPhone to scan the code on the new phone. On the edge. Now scanning around the edge. Still not focusing. Too close here. Well, anyway, right now it's transferred from his old iPhone to the new one. All the data and stuff like that. So all the apps and everything. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.